Unsuccessful auto reclose, trip on reclose condition. To simulate this condition, we are creating a healthy state, healthy current and voltage for 1 second, followed by a fault. In the next state after the fault, the breaker has successfully opened, which is simulated by zero current and voltage. One more state is created, which is called the line closer. We are injecting some current for the relay to detect successful breaker closure. In the next state, we have created an SOTF condition where there is a high current in all the phases. In the absence of voltage, the relay should be able to detect this as a fault. When I run this, the relay should go for an auto recloser lockout and SOTF should operate. So here we go, we can see the fault is persisting and the relay has given a 3-pole trip. Auto recloser is locked out and SOTF has operated. Let us analyze the event record. Using Siemens Dixie software, the event record is downloaded. The spontaneous events list shows the sequence of auto recloser lockout during SOTF. At parameter, the line closer is detected at parameter number 00590 by injecting current in the test kit. Parameter number 03811 shows zone 1 trip. Parameter number 02801 shows auto recloser in progress. The single pole open detected in R phase is recorded as shown. During this dead time, another R phase to Y phase fault occurred, and the relay detected it as evolving fault in parameter number 02818. As per relay setting parameter number 3407, evolving faults should block auto recloser during dead time. Hence, relay blocked the auto recloser, which is confirmed in parameter number 02703. This resulted in auto recloser unsuccessful. After the lockout, circuit breaker open is detected. Deadline state. Parameter number 00590 shows the line closer detected SOTF initiation. As per setting parameter number 1134, which is simulated by current injection. There is a fault current detected by a relay as per parameter number 01027. Hence, when a line closer was detected and relay picked up in SOTF as shown in parameter number 04281. The parameter number 04295 confirms SOTF 3-phase tripping.